ready. Huh? E- Everything selling ready. No, I didn't selling. What I sell? My kidney? Buangit ka. I never, even though I don't have money, I never sell my kidney. That is my life. If you don't have kidney, you don't have a life anymore. Don't live. You know what? You better just think a lot of not that kidney. Buangit ka. Why you sell your kidney?